loves, my name is Aliyah Nicole, if you didn't already know. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button so that we can be friends. If you know me, you know my main dream, goal, whatever, is to be a model. Ducky Naomi Campbell vibes. I want to be a model. Since I ain't there yet, I'm gonna fake it till I make it, period. So yeah, I know these little Vogue challenge covers that been going around the internet. I've been seeing them on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and the whole nine. And I think they are so nice. People take a really Vogue-esque picture and edit Vogue on it. I want to do that. I decided yesterday that I want to do that. So I took a trip to the thrift shop to see what I could find that could help me on my journey or whatever. So I'm gonna tell y'all the vision behind everything, what I envision for my Vogue cover. I was thinking some type of silky background, a bucket hat. Hear me out. I want the bucket hat to be covered in flowers, and I was thinking reds, oranges, pinks, those type of flowers, real summery, right? And that was gonna be the dramatic aspect of the photo. I was gonna have the soft glam makeup going on. I was gonna be hitting the poses or whatever, you know. I think I could do it, but hear me out. I'm not a photographer. I don't have a camera. The only camera I own is this iPhone I'm using to record on. I'm still gonna make it shake. I'm still gonna make it happen, and I'm gonna take y'all along on the journey as much as I can. So last night, I couldn't find a bucket hat at the thrift store or anything. I didn't find anything for real. But I made one. I made my own stencils from scratch, measured my big ass head. I literally ran out of thread sewing this bucket hat. But I did it. I made a bucket hat. So I got these flowers at Walmart. I'm gonna take these flowers. I'm going to take them apart and glue them to make tinier versions of the flowers, because you can take the petals off. I'm gonna put them all on the bucket hat, and then do my makeup, the soft glam or whatever, and then I'm gonna hang up the little silky situation I found at the thrift shop. Is this? It ain't really silk, but this was literally the closest texture that they had. I actually thought it was a big ass pair of pants, but it's pillowcases. And hopefully this comes out good. I got a little ring light or whatever. I'm hoping all of this comes out good. I'm taking you guys on the journey. I'm gonna show y'all how to do it at home too, if you was wondering or whatever. Let's figure this out. I don't know. I don't feel like y'all see my vision yet, because quite frankly, listen, we're gonna do this. We're gonna get it. Alright, stay tuned. I'm gonna show you how to do it real quick. So you take the 2 pieces of the flour, you put them here overlapping, fold it in half like that, hot glue it like that, and now we're gonna fold it in half like this. Boom. So we got the flower right here where we pinched it. That's where you're gonna put the glue. You're gonna glue it on the hat just like that, and then just do that all the way around. I think this will make 2 layers for the middle half of the hat. So I think it'd be 2 layers, and then I'm gonna do the top, and then we're gonna go to the brim. Alright, so I'm gonna show y'all the hat so far. Oh my god. Do it look crazy enough to be on Vogue? I think so. So I'm thinking, I'm conflicted right now. Should I leave it here, or should I keep adding flowers? Y'all, I don't know. YOLO. I'm about to keep going. I'm gonna fill it all the way around with flowers. I like it. Okay, I really have a vision, y'all, and I'm hoping I can achieve it because I literally made this hat from scratch. I sewed it together. I had glued flowers on it. It's gonna come in handy regardless. We gonna make this happen. We gonna make this work, and it's gonna be that, period. Next is makeup. The sun will be going down here soon. I missed the golden hour. I gotta figure out the whole studio situation. Unless I want to take the pictures tomorrow. Nah, I want to try to get everything done tonight. But then if I try to take them tonight, then it'll come out right, of course, tomorrow. But phase 2. If I didn't say this already, I'm gonna start makeup. But no, I want my Vogue picture to be one of those crazy ones. Sorry, I'm dropping makeup. I want my Vogue picture to be one of those crazy ones. Like, you know, I'm gonna put some examples on the screen. Like, I want mine to be like crazy like that. Like, of course, little cutesy dootsy ones are cool too, but I want mine attention grabbing. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm just going in with my Total Temptations by Maybelline brow pencil, combing my brows. I don't really do much to my brows because they are already thick with 2 C's. You see the little sparses? But yeah, I just go through and darken it up a bit. Nothing crazy. Boom. I know it may seem like I just did absolutely nothing, but it's a little bit of a difference, you know what I'm saying? This is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the color Tan Walnut. There we go. Yes.
This why you be locking your door so I don't come in here and do shit like this. You be recording, you do your whole face?
I already did my whole thing.
For real?
Yeah.
You gonna speed it up?
I might. I've been talking, so I might speed it up and then stop. Speed it back up again.
Slow it down to get that glamorous effect after you add everything on God type shit.
We're done. And now let's get dressed and try to take these pictures. I seen some cute pictures. I looked up some Vogue pictures. I seen like some cute Rihanna ones and Beyonce and like other people with the crazy things. So I was like, okay, my idea wasn't too off. Okay, I just gotta listen. Taking pictures isn't my best suit, especially because I broke my little photo clicker remote, so I'm having to put it on timer. Listen, it's a headache, but I want to be on Vogue, so I'm gonna do it. I decided to put on a bra, something risque. Take some pictures like this, and I'm gonna put on the hat, do a little outfit change, and I am praying that I get some good pictures because I want to see that. I want to see me on Vogue so it can manifest. It can manifest into real life, you know? Because I really believe in it. Speaking to existence. So I'm gonna keep taking pictures. This is me in outfit. You know, I'm trying to switch it up. I'm trying to do some different things. By the way, I'm sorry if you're hearing stuff in the background. I'm trying to make this quick. I hope I get some good ones. Hey y'all, right quick before my phone dies because I'm on 10% taking so many pictures and I hope they come out good. I'm gonna show you guys how to edit it and shoot, that's gonna be the darn thing. You guys will see what the outcome will look like, but for now, I'll see you guys. Hey, I'm back, but as a voiceover this time. So right now I'm just going in with the detail tool, making everything brighter and shinier. I'm on PixArt, by the way. So I'm just going through making the details of my dress shinier, making my lip gloss shinier, making my making my eye makeup and eyeballs shinier. Like, I love this tool and I be going crazy with it. Next, I'm going into draw. I know y'all see that little piece of lace flapping up. I'm just going to change the brush into spray paint mode. And I'm going to steal some color from the hair around it, color it in just so it can blend in, and that's it. Now I'm going into FX. I'm just about to play with the filters. I clicked noise and I adjusted it to how I wanted it. And after that, I was done. I know I said I was done, but I very clearly lied. Right now, I'm just going in and correcting all my blemishes with the little blemish tool in Beauty. You can zoom in, get rid of them little acne scars, acne period. Get rid of all of that. So I went on Google and I searched Vogue Transparent, and I downloaded, well, not downloaded, I saved the one that I wanted, which is this one right here. I know it looks white, but I went ahead and I blended it. I clicked multiply and that literally just took all the white away. So right now I'm gonna go through and I'm gonna erase the O, and so it can look like my head is in front of the letters, that 3D look, like this is a legit Vogue cover. Now I went into skin tone. I wanted to make my skin pop a little bit. I don't got the right lighting, so it kind of looked dull. I wanted to give myself a more reddy undertone, so that's exactly what I did. I clicked the pink one, and then I adjusted it to how red I wanted it. I tried to make it look natural, and it did look natural. I think it looks very good in my opinion. And yeah, it's just an extra little touch that I like to give. So boom, I'm done with that one, and now I'm about to go into my next one, and I'm pretty much doing the exact same thing. I'm going into detail. I'm making all the things brighter that I want brighter. I'm gonna go into blemish, correct all my blemishes. I'm gonna make my skin tone a little pinkier. Literally the exact same thing, except for I'm not adding the noise filter on this one. I'm doing the HDR one, which is gonna make everything sharper. And then I'm gonna adjust it how I want it and add Vogue, same exact way I did on the other one. We done. So we're pretty much done here. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a comment, tell me what you liked, and don't forget to subscribe. So like I said before, we can be friends and you can see more videos like this, okay? And I want to see you guys' creations. So if my video helped at all, tag me.